Hey there, my lovely podcast family. Welcome back to the English Podcast Show. It's your girl, Emma, and today's episode, it's a little slice of my heart. You already know what my weekdays look like, packed with books, buses, and brain work. But today, I want to take you somewhere softer, somewhere with messy buns, paint-stained fingers, lazy mornings, and quiet joy. Yep, we're stepping into my weekend, so whether you're curled up in bed or sipping tea on your balcony, come with me. Into the rhythm of my weekend life, I don't use an alarm on weekends. I let the sunlight gently kiss my face, and the birds, oh, those sweet little alarm clocks, they sing me into the day. I stretch, smile, and whisper something I truly believe. This weekend is my little gift. Let's make it warm and wonderful. There's no rush, no shoes to tie. I walk to the bathroom in my fuzzy socks, wash my face with cool water, and take a slow, warm shower, steam curling around me like a soft hug. And yes, I always play soft music, sometimes Norah Jones, sometimes Coldplay, the music, the water, the stillness. It's like pressing reset on my soul. Weekends mean breakfast dreams. I try new things. Banana pancakes, avocado toast, sometimes just buttery parathas with tea. While the pan sizzles, I play English podcasts or soulful English songs. It's not study, it's just me, letting English flow into my ears and heart. And the best part? Eating at the kitchen table with the window open, sunlight on my plate, birds outside, and the smell of coffee wrapping around me like a memory. After breakfast, I do something that makes me feel most me. I paint. Sometimes flowers, sometimes girls with galaxies in their hair, sometimes messy rain. I sit on the floor, spread out my colors, and just feel. While I paint, I listen to beautiful English audiobooks or slow storytelling podcasts. It's my way of learning without even trying. No pressure, no grammar rules, just stories and colors and joy. Later in the day, after lunch, maybe around 2 or 3 p.m., I cozy up on the couch with a blanket and watch an English movie. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I laugh, sometimes I pause just to write down a beautiful phrase. One line from a movie last week stayed with me. Sometimes it's the people no one imagines anything of who do the things no one can imagine. Movies are more than just fun. They're windows into how people speak, feel, and dream in English. I note down idioms, accents, jokes. I feel like I'm traveling without leaving home. By the time the sun starts going down, I walk into the kitchen with my heart full and my apron ready. I cook something special every weekend. Last week it was creamy mushroom pasta. This week maybe chicken curry and rice. Cooking for my family is how I say I love you without words. We laugh, we taste, we joke about my too much salt moments. Sometimes I narrate the steps in English like I'm hosting a cooking show. Now we add the garlic. Careful not to burn it. It's fun. It's silly. But it's practice, and it makes learning feel like love. After dinner, we all sit together for a while. No phones, no TV, just people, talking, laughing, sharing stories. When everyone goes to bed, I light a little candle, sit by my window, and open my journal. I write, "Today I smiled more. Today I learned 3 new words from that movie. Today I was kind. To myself and others." Then I read a short English story. Even 1 page is enough. I note down 5 new words. Say them out loud, make a sentence, whisper them into the night like little promises. And finally, I look up at the stars and say, "Thank you, weekend. You gave me rest, you gave me joy, and tomorrow we begin again." So, my friends, that was my weekend. Soft, sweet, soulful. There's a quiet kind of power in these slow days. No deadlines, no alarms, just small joys and big hearts. Your challenge this week? Make your weekend magical. in your own way. Paint, sing, cook. Watch movies with subtitles. Talk to yourself in English. Or just sit in silence and be. Then tell me, what did your heart learn this weekend? Record a 1-minute voice note or write a short post. Use the hashtag #WeekendWithEmma and tag your learning buddy. And hey, if this episode wrapped around your heart like a warm blanket, please subscribe, leave me a sweet review, and share this with someone who deserves a cozy English weekend. This is Emma, your weekend storyteller, sending you love, light, and the courage to keep learning, slowly, softly, deeply. See you next time. Bye-bye, my beautiful friend.